Hello lovely people, welcome to our channel where we share with you money tips and business ideas. In today's video, we are going to share with you 7 money secrets that you should not share with anyone. So let's dive right into the video. So first of all, we all know that one way or the other, we handle money day in, day out. Whether you are doing work for someone, your own business, or a government worker, at the end of the month or at the end of the day, money comes into your hand and the way you handle it matters more. So if you are someone that loves to learn some of these things and business ideas, consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that the next time we upload any video, you'll be able to receive that video first. So when you look at it down there, there is subscribe button, just click on the subscribe. Just subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So guys, let's quickly jump into the video and know the secret that you're not supposed to share with anyone concerning your money. So the first secret you're not supposed to share with anyone about your money is that never share your income. Yeah, so the first thing or the first secret that you should not share with people is your income, the amount of money you make at the end of every month. Whether you are doing business or you are working for someone, when they pay you at the end of the month or they pay you harvest or you get your money by the close of a business, by a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even by the close of the day, do not disclose that amount to anybody. Why am I saying this? You know, sometimes when you disclose the amount of money you are making to people, the people begin to open their eyes, they are jealous about you, they want to enter into that money because they think it's a free money that they also have their share inside. You know, let's say that you begin work fresh and you are sharing your money or your salary you are receiving back home with your friends, your parents, your sisters, your siblings. Then when you begin to share the money that you receive at the end of the month with them, or the money you get at the end of your business closing with them, they know that, oh, this amount of money you are getting, you are not, maybe you are very small to handle this money. They are thinking that it is free money, they want to jump into it. What you see is that they will start giving you their bills. Pay this for me, pay me these bills, buy me this, do this for me, because they think it's a free money. So do not share your money with them. Remember that before you got that job, or before you started that business, people have been depending on their own. So if you have just started a business or you have just got employed and they pay you at the end of the month, do not disclose those things. Because when you disclose the amount that you make at the end of the month, let's say you make 10,000 Ghana cedis. Somebody say, oh, 10,000 Ghana cedis, you are too young to handle 10,000 Ghana cedis. The next thing is that they'll start bringing bills to you. And they are going to stop every work they are doing and they'll focus solely on you because they think you are making enough money to be able to support them. So guys, don't forget that you're not supposed to share your money that you make at the end of the month, your income, with any other person. Now let's look at the second secret that I'm going to share with you. In fact, the second secret that I'm going to share with you is that never share your savings. So guys, you know that savings is very important. In fact, when you are working, one of the things that you have to always prepare for is to be saving at the end of the month or at the end of the week. No matter how you are going to do it, just make sure you are saving. But you know what? Some people, when they save, they feel like bragging about it. I have 10,000 Ghana cedis in my account. I have 10,000 Ghana cedis in my account. You know, what you are doing is a bad thing. When you tell people about the amount of money you are saved, they are going to be jealous about you because maybe they are not able to save that amount because they think it's a free money. So when you tell them, I have this and so amount in my account, they feel it's a free money and they are going to be asking you for loan. Give me this amount, I'll pay by the end of the month. Give me this amount, I'll pay by the end of the week. And they are never going to pay because they think it's a free money. They don't know the sweat or the struggles you have gone through to save that amount of money down. So make sure you are not sharing your savings with people, because when you share your savings with them, the next thing they are going to bring their bills to you because they think that you don't know how you are going to use the money for, and they'll be giving you a lot of problems to handle with that money. Remember that you have a focus for that money, therefore keep it to yourself. Hold it yourself, let it be on your chest, keep it yourself. Even when you are married to someone or you are just someone, just a boyfriend or girlfriend, make sure you're not sharing those things with them because some boyfriends and girlfriends are very jealous. When they know that you, the other partner, is performing more than them, they will begin to jump into your money and they are not going to disclose the amount of money they make to you. They will jump into your money and siphon all your money. When you are broke, they are going to leave you. So make sure that you're not sharing your money or your savings with anybody. Keep it all yourself and it should be with you. Some people too, they disclose maybe you have balance on your phone, so all the time your bank is giving information, so when they take your phone, they can know that, oh, you have X or Y amount to your account. Make sure you are keeping all this information delete those details on your phone so that anybody who you don't want to see any of these things, they don't see it eventually. And also, before you disclose such information to someone, there should be somebody you trust so much so that they will not use it to disturb you in future. Now let's look at the third secret of money that you should not share with anyone. The third secret that you should not share is debt or loan. So the third money secret that you should not share with anyone is your debt or loan. In fact, your debt is something that is very close to you, or that you should keep to yourself. Or your loan, the amount of money you have taken to do a business, to do further education, or to do something, let it be with you. Don't share your debt with someone, or the amount that you have taken with someone. The most surprising thing is that when you share your debt with someone, you tell somebody you are owing this, you have taken this loan, they are going to sack you from your house, they are going to disturb you if you don't pay the amount. They are not going to tell you how you manage to pay the loan. They are not going to help you to develop a repayment plan, but they are going to mock you in their head. They are going to say, oh, very soon they'll kick you out, they'll do this to you. Make sure you are keeping the amount of money that you have borrowed, the amount of money that you are owing someone, that you are supposed to pay someone. Keep it close to you, let it be with you, because you've gone for that money. If for anything, make sure the person you are giving those information to, the person doesn't use it against you in the future. So keep the loan amount with you. Make sure you are not keeping something that is so close to you, which is your loan facility. Let it be close to you so that you will not go around sharing to people that you have taken this loan from this company, you are taking this loan from this company. Sometimes it goes against you. You tell a friend that I have taken loan from somebody, and the person will go telling the person that when they come again, they shouldn't give you loan. It has happened to someone close to you before. The person has gone to a certain bank to take loan from that bank, and because the friend is also another box somewhere, the person was able to influence the bank, and the next time the person needed a loan, they didn't give to that particular person. So you have to be careful of the person that you share your loan debt with. Let it be close to you, manage and pay your debt so that nobody hears about it. Now let's look at the fourth money idea that you should not share with anybody. The fourth one is your next investment. So the fourth money secret that you should not share with anyone is your next investment. So you have been saving for so long, and you are thinking that you are going to invest into something, and you are telling your friends about it. This beautiful idea you have gotten, this beautiful business you have gotten, you think you are going to invest into it and are going to make a lot of money out of it. You are telling your friends about it, and they are going to tell you that this business I have done it before, I failed in it, my uncle have done it before, he didn't succeed. Your father has done it before. Didn't he tell you that he has done it before? He has failed at it. So if you do it, you are going to fail. My business crash. You are going to buy a car. You tell your friend will tell you that the car, if you buy it, you give the driver to drive for you. The driver is going to take all the money away. They will run away with your car. Stop sharing all those details. Yes, stop sharing all those details. And keep that thing to yourself. Even if you are going to discuss those things with someone, let it be a financial person, someone who understands you, someone who is not going to be jealous about you. Even sometimes when you share those ideas with someone, the person is going to go behind you and going to steal your business idea. Yeah, they will steal your business idea, and they will go far away and go and implement those business, and they are going to explore in it. So if you want to enter into any business, you think about entering into it, make sure you get someone who is into that business, who will be able to advise you, or get a financial coach who will be able to advise you so that you can know the right step that you can take. Stop discussing your investment with someone. Even though you can learn from all that they are going to share with you, but you must be sure the person you discuss with, so that the person will not give you any bad advice, or while the person knows that business you want to enter is a profitable one. Because of jealousy, the person can tell you, no, it is not a profitable one. Go into this. Meanwhile, the person knows that when you go into this, you will not be successful. I know someone who has gathered some amount of money, and the person wanted to enter into selling of food items. So someone deceived the person and told the person that selling of food stuffs is not going to be a good business. So he should rather invest the money to a forest trading. Forest trading is a complex stuff. Money doesn't come easily. And this guy went to invest his money into forest trading. Because the guy has also lost in forest trading before, he knows that his friend is going to make it in the selling of those food items. So after he had disclosed it, he helped the guy to open an account in the forest trading, and the money went just like that. So if the guy were to start that food, buying of food and selling it, the guy would have gotten enough money out of that business. But he listened to his friend and he went broke. So your next investment that you are planning of entering into, stop discussing with everybody. Everybody is not your friend. Everybody is not your friend. So guys, don't forget that we have more of these videos. If you are enjoying this video, just click on the subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free. That in our next video, we'll be able to share more of this type of videos with you. Guys, let's continue the fifth idea. So the fifth money secret that you should not share with anyone is quitting your job. Yeah, so the next money secret that you should not share with anyone is quitting your job. Yeah, so sometimes people quit their job to start a business when they think that they are fed up with their job. But you have to know that when you want to quit your job, you don't have to go telling everybody, oh, my guy, I want to quit my job is not doing well, I want to quit it, I'm so much stressed, I want to keep it and have my freedom, yeah, I find my dream, I want to enter into real estate, I want to enter into a car business. People don't like these things. Keep it close to yourself. You don't have to tell people if you are about to quit your job. Surprise them. What they know that you have, or what they know you are going to do, they are going to destroy it. So just keep close to yourself that you are going to keep your job. Make sure that you focus on your business whilst you're in that job. Be in that job and use your job to finance your business to the stage that your business will be stable on its own. Then you can quit your job. Don't rush to resign from your job. Be in your job gradually and build your business so that the moment you quit that job, you are just going to change your roles from the job to your business, and then you'll be able to progress in your business gradually. So that the time you quit your job, your business is stable and it will be able to handle you, so that you will not rush to quit your job, tell your friends and quit your job, and then you go and start your business, and then your business collapses. When your business collapses, you quit your job and go and start your business fresh, and the business also collapses, that means that you are going to lose two things at the same time. So make sure your leg is in the job whilst you are developing the business. When the business develops so much, then you can easily switch roles from the job to the business. So stop telling people that you are going to quit your job. Let it be within you so that nobody knows about it. When the time comes, just move away so that nobody knows about your plan. So guys, let's move on to the sixth money secret that is must not share with anyone, which is what you want to buy. So the sixth money secret is that what you want to buy next. In fact, you must understand that everybody is not happy for you. People are jealous about you secretly, but they are not going to show it to your face. They are jealous at your back. So when you discuss what you are going to buy next to people, they are going to be jealous about you because they are also thinking of buying something similar, which they are not getting money. So if you get that money to buy whatever you want to buy, they are jealous about you, and sometimes they can lure you to go and buy things that are not good. Maybe you want to buy a car, and they also, when they get the car, they also like it. So they can lure you to go and buy cars that are not good, which will give you fault all the time. Keep that to yourself and make sure if you are going to communicate to somebody, you are communicating to an expert, someone who can give you an advice, someone who is a neutral person who can give you an advice about it, who is not going to be jealous about you. Some of these things, when you want to discuss it, you can even take someone who is very far from you, someone who is never going to see you in life. Call that person, chat that person over the phone, email that person, and that person can give you an advice over, because the person doesn't know you, don't know the person, you are just reaching out to him or her, and the person will give their heart out and tell you their free advice about it. It is better than getting close to someone who is closer to you, who is laughing with you, but who is rather not your friend. The person just laughing with you, but it's not your friend. When you discuss those things with them, the person will take advantage of it and lure you to enter into things that are not good. So the next thing you are going to buy, whether a car, a house, whatever it is, keep it close to yourself and do not discuss it with anyone. Let's look at the seventh money secret that you must not discuss with anyone, which is your personal budget. So guys, the seventh money secret you must not share with anyone is your personal budget. In fact, personal budget is also a very important thing that you must keep to yourself. Telling someone that I make 10,000 but I can only spend 4,000 and 6,000 is there without me using it. It's like putting your money in front of fire, it will burn. You know why? Because when you tell them that they wish that money was theirs, and they are not going to give you any idea on how you are going to keep that money, but they are going to find work for money because they feel that it's a free money. That is why you are disclosing it to them. When they hear that you have this amount of money, or you make this amount of money at the end of the month and use this one out of it, and the rest is there without you not touching it, they feel it's a free money, and the next thing they are going to bring bills to you, or they are going to ask you that give me this money as loan, I'm going to pay you at the end of the month, I'm going to pay you at the end of the week, which they are never going to do. So keep your personal budget close to you and yourself. If there is any way that maybe you want to do some alteration on your personal budget, you can call someone who is an expert, who is a financial consultant. That person can help you to address any problem in your personal budget. As soon as there is something that you don't understand, or there is a problem with your personal budget, or the way you are spending is too much, or you want to have an idea on how to prepare a budget, you don't have to even tell people about it. Call someone who is an expert and the person will help you out. If you are a family and you always write your budget together, make sure your budget does not go outside the family so that people will not be seeing faults in your budget. Sometimes you budget 1,000 Ghana cedis for food, 500 cedis for other utility bills, and somebody will say that maybe the money you are budgeting for food for the month is too much for you. Meanwhile, that person, they're also using similar amount, but the person will tell you it's too much for you. But the person is rather trying to find ways or to find work for money. So the thing is a free money. So make sure you're not disclosing your personal budget to anybody. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video to this time. Thank you very much for staying with us. We love you so much. Keep tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There is a button over there. Just click on it. Subscribe to our channel. That is a way of saying thank you to us, and we'll see you in all our videos. The reason why we say subscribe is that when you subscribe and you click on the notification bell, anytime we upload a video, you'll be able to see it and you'll be the first to see it. Guys, don't forget to also like the video. Thumbs up the video so that a lot of people can see it, because the more you give it likes, that is what will help people to also identify this video. If you find value for this video, let us know in the comment section so that you'll be glad to also reply to your comment. Guys, thanks so much for staying with us today time, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.